Steven was the PE teacher at the same school my mom works at. And my mom calls me and goes, "We got a new PE teacher. He's Australian. You're gonna think he's cute."
I was randomly walking around the school and walked into Molly's mum's office and saw a photo of Molly there. And I walked over and my first thought was, wow.
Matilda, our daughter, is 5 years old and she is smarter than most, opinionated, sassy.
Do you know why it's called Castle Hill?
Because it has a castle?
Maybe you could be the princess at the top of Castle Hill.
No.
No?
No!
I'm the queen. You're the jester.
I am from Adelaide, Australia. Moved over to the US to play soccer in college. I've been a beach bum my whole life. So being in Tennessee, it was really, really, really cold with snow, etc. We don't want to see snow again.
I am born and raised in Tennessee, and I do love where I'm from. It's comfortable, it's safe, that's where my mom is.
So after about 10 years of trying to convince her, she finally decided to move to Australia.
I've been an English teacher for 12 years.
And I am a PE teacher.
One of my big rules for moving was I had to have a job.
And in 91 days, we ended up getting a job together at the same school.
I didn't know where Townsville was, and so we searched it up online, and I'm going, ooh, okay, yeah. It is a beautiful, beautiful place.
Now we have to try find a place to live. Molly has uprooted her entire life to come over here. So the pressure on my shoulders is immense. If it falls flat on my face, I don't think she's ever gonna trust me again.
Townsville, sunny Townsville, up the top of Australia. It's a very laid-back beach coastal lifestyle. The sales market in Townsville is reasonably good, but we are starting to see a lot of international people moving into Townsville recently. So we are going through at the moment a little bit of a shortage.
We ended up selling our house. I sold most of the belongings, kept a lot of the stuff that meant a lot to us, and we'll be bringing that to the new house with us.
On a boat.
On a boat.
That we'll see in about 3 to 4 months.
Yes. Fingers
Fine.
crossed.
It's fine.
This is fantastic. Look at this.
Look at this, what a view. Stephen and Molly, absolute lovely couple, very family orientated. I think these guys are going to be a little bit of a fish out of water, but it's really brave of her to be moving from all the way over there to a place like this. It's going to be a different type of life for them.
I want a short commute to work, and I want a pool. This is not too much to ask.
I do not want a pool because it's an extra job for me to do. I expect my life to be just a little bit more laid back.
We want 3 to 4 bedroom and 2 full baths. I want a pool.
Yes.
Desperately.
I am comfortable without a pool because that just sounds like work to me. So I just want to be close to the beach.
I want character. I want cutesy.
I am much more modern, so something with a huge amount of space.
Yep. So you are both school teachers?
Yes.
We are,
and we are working at the same school.
Wow.
And so I want as close to the school as possible.
Gotcha. And how much have you got to spend?
$300,000 US.
The market is a little bit tight at the moment, so meaning that we haven't got too much stock there. Trying to find the right property for them is going to be a little bit tricky. I'm probably going to have to keep Molly a little bit happier with what she wants. Stephen's a little laid back, so I think he's going to be a little bit easier to handle. How's your Australian?
I mean, I've lived with an Australian for quite a while.
So it's like Aussie, Aussie, Aussie?
Oi, oi,
Oi, oi, oi.
There you go. What about Vegemite?
Why would you put yeast on toast?
So I think they were looking for different things. Stephen's looking for modern. Molly wants character. Where do we blend them both together? Let's go and have a look at a house that I've got in the city. It's only about 10 minutes roughly to school.
Okay.
But one thing, Stephen, I think you'll like, it's only 5 minutes to the beach.
Yep.
If they want to be close to the beach, they're absolutely going to have to spend more. It doesn't have the pool, but it's a nice family home. I guess this is probably the house that sits in the middle of both their wish lists. Well, this one's all about location. There's parks, barbecue areas, and even the local pool.
Matilda would love that.
But if you're saying local swimming pool, what about here?
There's no swimming pool.
We're only 5 minutes from the beach. We're 5 minutes from public pools. There's going to be shops that we can go to. There's going to be places that we can go to eat. Just really fun places to hang out as a family.
But it has got 4 bedroom, 2 bath.
All right.
Price, this is slightly just over. It's $310,000. It's not much. Bonus is you've got views.
The location is amazing, but I also know that family time around a pool would be really great for us. This is charming. Look. I
didn't expect this.
It's a good entrance
It's a good
area.
little entrance. And we're a little higher up. The view's even better here.
A lot better.
Look how nice the floors are.
What are your thoughts on the kitchen?
There is a lot of prep room. There does seem to be a lot of storage.
I like the kitchen. It's kind of on the small side, but it feels pretty open.
The best part about this property is we've got 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom this side and 2 bed and 1 bath this side. So let's go and have a look.
Absolutely.
You got bedroom 4 on the right, so they're both the same size.
Okay.
I like this. And there's enough separation between this and where we will be, especially as she gets older.
No, you're right.
She's gonna want that privacy.
Stephen is thrilled with space, but doesn't have a pool.
I just like walking through this space. It's just so nice.
And this is a huge room.
This is amazing.
This is big.
This is about the same size as our US bedroom.
Yes. So we know stuff will fit in.
They both seem to smile, and there probably weren't as many negative comments. So I think there's something here.
The location cannot be beat. I love the view.
The view's great, but look down.
Yeah, it's rougher.
Possibility of putting a pool in.
Yeah, but
Yeah, this would take a lot of work.
Yep.
it has my character. It has all of the rooms we want, but I want a pool. And I don't want to put one in. That takes forever. I don't want to put one in. I just want it there.
If Molly wants a pool, Stephen is going to get a small home. This has got character and the pool.
I like the floors. Ooh.
I know what's coming over. I know our family is going to grow. We need something with size.
This one's in the suburb of Kurrajong.
Okay.
It's an older area. This has got character
Okay.
and the pool. But you know what the biggest thing about this one? It's about 8 minutes to school. Beach is about 10 minutes away.
Okay.
Oh, this is cute.
Oh, wow.
I think it's something that will suit Molly. This is maybe not the property for Stephen. Rooms are a little bit small, but if Molly wants a pool, it means she's going to get a small home for the price that they want to spend. So this one is 3 bed.
3 beds, okay.
So
what
you
about bathrooms?
It's got 1, but there's another toilet outside on the deck. And
Okay.
it is only 270,000.
All right.
Right.
I like it.
It's an absolute bargain.
Absolutely.
Let's look.
Come on.
Our house in the US, it is 2 stories with 4 bedrooms and huge bathroom connected and a massive walk-in closet. But if I can get the pool, I'm willing to bite the bullet on the size of the house. Like the floors. Ooh. Okay. It has character.
You do have to remember that we have a container coming from the US, and I'm wondering where a lot of our stuff would currently go. What's the kitchen look like?
It's smaller than what we're used to. It's homey, it is comfortable. If I have to get rid of some of the stuff that's coming over on the boat, I will.
We've still got the bedrooms, the bathroom to look at yet.
Ooh,
It's a decent guest
it
space.
could be a good guest room.
This is bigger.
This is about the size of Matilda's room in the US.
Yeah. Let's go see what our bedroom would be.
Okay.
This is small again. I thought that would be Matilda's room, but that must be ours.
I don't know if our stuff will fit in there. I know what's coming over. I know our family is going to grow. We need something with size.
Brand new bathroom as well.
Oh.
Has a really nice shower. This is beautiful. I would have picked this. This is
Yeah.
gorgeous.
There is only one.
I know.
And as pretty as this is, can we survive with just one? I think with Molly and the house size, we have a whole container of stuff coming from the United States. I mean, it's 10 years of our life together that we're bringing over with us.
Okay, this is huge.
Oh.
The pool is
Okay.
gorgeous. We could have our dining here. There's another one.
So my assumption is being outside, this is where I would go.
Oh yeah, no, this is yours.
Okay.
This is your area, but hey, it exists.
It exists.
So all we would need is another shower. We could add something out here,
I do worry about the pool. That looks like a lot of work for me.
but it would be worth it for your girls. There are millions of people around the world with pools. If it was that hard, they wouldn't have them.
I want to hang out with them, not clean stuff for them. I do like the price at $270,000. We have a little extra cash available. Are we able to see something maybe a little bit bigger and maybe a little bit more modern?
Definitely.
Houses are a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but it does have the character, it has the charm, it's cutesy. I like it.
Small. All of those words mean small.
This is the type of area where it's modern living. So a lot of the homes are about 10 or 12 years old. There's a lot of family throughout the area. Problem with this area is we are a far way out. But if you want the type of property that Stephen's looking for, this is where you need to be.
So how far away are we from the beach?
We're about 25, 27 minutes.
Ooh, that could be a trek. Okay.
What about work?
Probably say about 20 minutes.
Okay.
Are we even in Townsville now?
We are, but we have come into a modern suburb.
Every single house on this street looks the same. I'll be honest, I'm not convinced I'm gonna know which house is mine.
4-bed.
I like
and we've got
that.
2 baths as well.
All right, what about a pool?
It doesn't have a pool, but the good news is the price is $250,000.
For no character and no pool.
In the suburbs, generally, you're going to get a bigger house for a less price. So I am okay with that.
It's the world's heaviest door.
Whoa, this is huge.
Plain, it feels sterile. It feels very meh.
Notice there's tiles all the way through the property as well.
I do like that. Nice sized dining room, kind of updated.
Steve's gonna have to really, really work hard here. This is probably not Molly's cup of tea. This is one of the guest rooms, and both guest rooms are a very similar size.
Wow.
Okay, this is a massive guest space.
This is like main bedroom size.
Cookie cutter, plain.
But you can jazz it up. Ooh. Oh, that's good. Good for Matilda.
There's a bathtub. She's gonna love that.
Didn't even ask for that.
No, that's great for her.
That's what you get with these modern homes.
So boring.
You can make it not boring.
That's a lot of work.
Plus, our family is not boring.
That's fair.
And this could be Matilda's room.
Oh, this is huge. We know her bed will fit. We know her furniture will fit.
There's storage. More work for us, though.
That can be fixed. Oh, huge space. Look at the view of the mountains.
Yeah.
The bathroom to the right. And there's another little special surprise for you.
Oh, there's a walk-in closet. But it's kind of dark, like the tile is dark.
We are definitely butting heads over size. I'm a little bit more of a realist in knowing what we actually are going to need in order to make this move successful. Oh, this is great.
I was just about to say, you're gonna love this space.
This is what you call barbecue.
Oh, this is perfect. Matilda will love it. Not much maintenance here for myself.
This is very much a house for Stephen. I am very worried about the distance, and there is no charm. None.
But remember, this is only $250,000. You got potential to put money back into the property. You could put your own pool in. You can tell that they're trying to compromise because obviously it's been a big move for them and they understand that they're both out of their comfort zone. But I just feel that Steve's just content with this property. He's happy, and I think Molly's fighting the fight.
I gave up a lot to move here. I should have it all. The city house was so cute inside.
It was amazing.
It had the space we needed, but I want the pool house.
Cleaning that pool is gonna be awful. The suburb house, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. I am happy to drive a little bit further just so we can have that space.
Molly's out of her comfort zone. She's in trouble. I mean, is Stephen going to keep her happy or is she going to get the home that Steve wants?
I think we're gonna agree on which one's just not gonna work for us.
The city house.
We need to get rid of the city house.
It was so close to the beach, but the yard needed a lot of work, and it's over our price point at $310,000.
So let's talk about the pool house.
Okay.
Do you know why I call it the pool house?
Does it have a pool?
It does have a pool.
Cleaning that pool is gonna be awful. I really worry about the size of that house. What about the suburb house? 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms.
I struggle with the location because it's so far away and did not have a pool and no charm. I want the pool house.
And I do not want the pool house for a couple of reasons. The bedrooms are very small. The living area was small. The kitchen was small.
But it was so cute.
I like the house in the burbs.
You like the burbs. It's just so far away from work.
It's only one bathroom.
It's one-ish. There's a toilet outside.
Think about the house in the burbs. It was 2 separate bathrooms. It's huge, absolutely huge.
There was no character at all.
But you have the ability to make that absolutely perfect.
Daddy's trying to butter me up. Can you give Daddy puppy dog eyes for a pool?
You've uprooted your whole life to come over here. I want to make sure that you have what's comfortable and what's going to make you happy. I will consider putting in a pool.
Okay. I think we will end up needing the space. Let's take the big spacious so we can be comfortable in the house.
Okay. I agree.
Yay!
I'm going to celebrate with some pineapple.
Nom, 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 nom. Can you make the better one, boy?
Oh! Our new life in Townsville is absolutely amazing. It's everything I wanted. Matilda is ice skating.
She's thriving. It's good.
Even though it's about 20 minutes to the beach, 20 minutes to work, it's been okay.
Traffic in Townsville isn't really bad.
Come on over. We're going to go meet Ruben.
Ruben?
Yeah, he's our common wombat.
That is bigger than I thought.
It hasn't been that big of an issue to not have a pool. We are still looking into it.
We're looking into it, just not as hard.